don't know how to stop that noise. But I need some moisturiser. A bit of Rende cream, thanks to Mr. Sali. The stuff smells heavenly. Also, as you can see, the sun is finally out in London. Yesterday it rained, how much? I don't even know what time it started, but it didn't finish until like 11 o'clock in the evening. It was horrible. And then I woke up to sun this morning, which is lovely and makes you actually want to get out and do something. Unlike the rain, it's been miserable. Let's get this hair up forward. What's new? Nada. Same old, same old. That looks funny, doesn't it? I like to look glowy. I mean, let's be honest, there's not going to be anything that new going on here because I'm not really one to take on makeup much. One, I don't think it looks good on me. And two, I'm not a fan of the feeling. So, what I do need to get is the Chantecaille Tinted Moisturiser again. But I'm currently still using the Body Shop one. I've also accumulated a spot, which shouldn't happen after I was on Rectane, but I'm alright. I'm alright with the odd spot. Because it's nothing like it used to be. It's obviously due to me probably being quite unhealthy recently. To be honest, I think in London here we're just waiting for a bit better weather. Because it's just no fun. We've had 3 storms. It's just been constant rain. And we're over it. It's getting boring now. Warms myself up a bit. Make me feel a little less unhealthy. Or make me look a little more healthy is what I meant to say. So today I'm going to go meet Adam, who you would have seen before, in London, and as it's a nice day we're probably going to roam around some vintage shops, get coffees outside, the huge, have a little catch up. Little less dead, right? We can still keep going. Bit of blush. Might do a few outfit videos today. I know that's what I always used to do on my channel. And now I've been doing vlogs and stuff like that. I don't know, like, what do you guys want to see? Tell me. I need to hear. I'm not going to do anything to my eyebrows thanks to Mr. Sali. I got my brows done. And before him I didn't have them done for 2 years, so they look better than they did before to me now, so I can't be honest. I'm so sick of having to wear 1,000,001 layers as well. Just want to wear a cute little summer dress. Well, actually, what I really want is to be in a bikini somewhere on a beach. that would be ideal. But hopefully soon we can dream. By April last year it was. By April last year it was boiling in London. So let's hope we get that again. Never know. Oh, of course I get it on my eyelids. I really need my lashes to grow for the summer. I look so short. Stand up tall. I'm leaning. I used to have such good posture. Shoulders back. My shoulders are huge thanks to swimming. Can anyone else do their bottom lashes without opening their mouth wide? I can't. What I want to do is wear a cute little straw on the bag and go out in denim shorts and a cute little top. But when you actually step outside, it's not that warm, unfortunately. Oh no, my thing just fell out the palette. I pretty think, should I put a lip on? Should we do a colour? You like that? I think that'll do. Let's go decide what to wear, although I've got washing all over my room. But let's go figure it out. And let's go stroll around London. And then I'm gonna go see my friend got a cat. I already got it on her too. That's the trick, right? And then my friend got a little baby kitten, a Scottish fold, which he is so cute, and I miss him already. I literally left them like the other day, like 2-3 days ago, and I want to go see him again. So I think I'm gonna go see them today also. So maybe I'll be seeing a baby kitten. He's 7 months. I'm not gonna say the name because I don't really know how to say it. And I keep saying it wrong. But he's very cute. Ah! Dropping everything. Let's just go get dressed. No surprise here. We're gonna go for black. Because it's cold. And it's still winter here, so don't know what else to wear, to be honest. Reality, taking stuff off the laundry line and putting it straight on. Got this jumper a long time ago from Frame, and it has like a zip that goes all the way up the back, which I quite like. It's something you can wear in winter. Oh, I just got this lip all over my hanger. This is gonna end up going everywhere, isn't it? It's matte, it shouldn't. And let's be honest, I have no new shoes, so trainers and whatever else I can find. I should probably put product in my hair before quickly. Another thing I need to do is get a haircut. Anyways, this is pretty much it. Black Converse most likely, and this fluffy coat. Balenciaga that still has a dog bowl in it from the last time. I don't clean out my bags, I really should. But we're off pretty quick. We shall see you, we meaning I, shall see you when I'm with the cat or shopping. Ta-ra. Oh, I also got my nails done today, it feels so good. They were literally getting so long. It was like hurting to do stuff because they get caught. So I feel refreshed. But yes, I shall see you very soon.